Joe from tajmotormedics. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 2010 plate. Just wanted to show you the beam image on this. It's failed MOT. Basically, as you can see, that there is okay, but it's still high. I need to get that sorted. If you look on the other side, somebody's obviously fitted the bulb incorrectly. I'm going to show you exactly where the bulb is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the car off. Now, to see if the bulbs are fitted in correctly, all you got to do is look inside the lens. As you can see, the bulb is sitting in nicely on this side, so it's quite straight. But if you come on this side here, as you can see, the bulb there is facing down, so hence that's why the beam image is out. So if I look on the inside, it's going to be quite difficult, so I'm going to just show it to you through the mirror. As you can see there, the bulb is a H7 bulb, so the pin locator in the H7 is on the top. If you can see that little gap right there, so if I unplug it, it's quite a tight spot. On top of that, he's got this big bracket on, so the hands keep touching this, which is not good. So all you do, wiggle, and then just take the plug out. Right, that's out. Now we'll see, you can see the bulb there, so that's not correct at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push the spring in and then pull it out. Spring in and out. That's it. Now you can see the spring is pushed out. So if you see the, let me just get the mirror in a place where you guys can see. It's a bit difficult, isn't it? Right, okay, there. So the spring is on this side. The locator for that H7 bulb should be facing up. So you push the spring in from here. You push it into that corner. Oh, wait a minute, let me just get a better mirror. And now you can see, you get a better view. So the spring needs to go push forward in there and then clicked in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can get my fingers in and line the bulb up. So it needs to sit in nicely. Not yet, that's it. So as you can see now, that's sitting in nicely. So what I do is zoom back out. All I now do is push the spring in, down, and there. That's all connected now. So that's all it is. That's all you got to do. I'm going to plug it back in. So if you can't see it, use a mirror. Make sure make sure the clip doesn't come out. If the clip does come out, you're in trouble, because then it'll be hard for you to put it back together. You'll need, basically you need to take the headlight out. To take this headlight out, you've got to remove the bumper, because a couple of the screws for the headlight is at the bottom. Just trying to line this bulb. That's it. Now you can see that's all plugged in. Now we'll just see the light. Now as you can see there, the image is perfect, but look at that one, that's still pretty good. It's quite low. This one is quite high. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to align the headlights. I'm going to use this machine right here, this tool right here, and the adjusters on this one is through here on both sides. That's what I'm going to do on this one, and I'm going to do the position lamp here as well. It's not working. This one here is working, so I'm going to have another video for that as well. It's quite easy to get to it through here. And the bulb you need is a 501. The bulb you need for the back is a H7. Don't forget to put this back on. It's got a little rubber seal. Make sure that seal is intact. Put it together. It's quite a tight spot. They do get really tight, so spray some WD-40. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.